Last stop at the promised land. Today's gonna be a long day.
With your hand on your heart, please tell me which way to go, 'cause I sure don't know. One piece in hand is a start, but it's a mighty puzzle to lay. No need to say, how will I cope?
Got to break up this 12-hour drive. Woo!
How will I cope? I can't sleep, but I'm hardly awake.
We made it. All right, now it's time to start unpacking, so maybe I can show you what's in the Jeep. In short, the back of the car is kind of like just a garage. So in this tote we keep pretty much anything you'd kind of keep in a garage. Air compressor, jump starter. All of my tools. Kitty litter. We don't have cats. Yoga mat. Our pantry. Pretty much our food storage. An organizer for various items. Dry bags for various clothes. Some of my knife making stuff. I had to bring this with me. and make these bottle openers. This is actually the hitch we use in my car. Not sure why we brought that. And then a sway bar that we ended up not being able to use. That we also didn't really need. Blankets for the dogs. Another dry bag full of clothes. Important things. Can't forget Grogu. Extra hammer drill that I needed. For the most part, that's it. I'll give you a quick peek in the rooftop box. Alright, so the rooftop box. Got burner, fishing gear, moonshade, camping backpack with some stuff in it, some dog stuff, bug assault, some toilet products, our bathroom. Nothing too interesting, but holds a lot of stuff. We didn't have that much stuff with us. Not the toy car. And a lot of it's inside already. Everything is out. Clean Scamp. Kinda. Just gotta like actually clean it because I don't know what to do with that. Well, now that we're back to what we consider home for the summer, and we've lived a full 7 months in this thing, we have a better idea of what we need and don't need, and some ideas for some modifications, adjustments, and renovations that will make our lives a little bit more comfortable. So throughout the summer, this channel is going to be more geared towards modifications and restorations. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.